Welcome to your introduction to digital entrepreneurship. All right, how many of you guys shop, learn, or entertain yourselves online? We want to explore the world of digital entrepreneurship so that you can discover how it's revolutionized the way we operate business. So let's go ahead and get started. So what is digital entrepreneurship? It's really and truthfully just the pursuit of new business opportunities while using digital technologies. You can look at it from the perspective of if you want to start an online shop instead of starting a brick and mortar shop. So this involves leveraging the power of the internet and the digital platforms around us to create and grow our businesses. And some examples are going to be that of e-commerce sites, educational platforms online, digital marketing agencies, mobile apps, and even web applications. So why is it so significant in today's world? Successful digital entrepreneurs have transformed industries and they have redefined how businesses can operate. The shift is going from that traditional brick and mortar business to online ventures, and they offer multitudes of benefits such as global reach, cost effectiveness, flexibility, and adaptability. The global reach aspect is the fact that you can now reach a global customer. You can go worldwide and break barriers without even leaving the state or the city that you are in. Cost effectiveness, starting it requires a lot less startup costs. It can be a lot more affordable for you to start an online business than it ever was to start a brick and mortar business. The flexibility allows an entrepreneur to work remotely or set their own schedules so that they're more capable of moving around and living their life instead of constantly being stuck at the store, dealing with inventory or whatever the case may be. Finally, adaptability. You are able to adapt quicker. The rapid pace of online development, internet development, the development of tools, it's really hard to keep up with. If you have an online business, you can keep up with that much faster because the learning curves become smaller. You can hire freelancers. Basically, you can do everything you can at a more affordable rate to be able to keep up with things, thus making your business a lot more adaptable to the changing environments. So getting started, you're going to want to go through some first steps. You're going to want to come up with your idea. You're going to want to research your market. You're going to want to select what platforms you're going to use. Then you want to gain the skill set. I do want to let you guys know that we are going to go into this much more in depth in later training. So be sure you go through the later training so that you can understand this a little bit more. But essentially, you're coming up with the gap. You want to identify within that digital market what your business can solve for others, right? So you want to find the pain and offer the solution. To do this, you want to understand your market. You want to research your targeted audience, your competition, and the size of the market that you want to enter. Then you want to select your platforms. This is going to be the platforms you utilize for things like marketing, housing your product, etc. So you're going to look into websites, mobile apps, social media, whatever the case may be. And then finally, you want to gain all of the skill sets that you need to succeed. These skill sets can range from various different skill sets, but primarily you want to focus on the online one. And the skill sets that you need are going to be falling into that online bracket. So what skill sets can you come up with that you need to make your business thrive? Because being an online entrepreneur or a digital entrepreneur also means that there's going to be a lot that you can do yourself without having to outsource. Now, eventually you want to outsource everything, but the more skill sets you have, the easier it gets. Next, let's interact together and do a quick little brainstorm. All right, put your thinking hat on and really just work with us as best you can, being not in presence with us. But we want you to think of some type of a digital business idea that you could believe be successful. It could be anything. It needs to be an innovative app or an online store selling a unique product. It could also be a podcast. It could be a YouTube channel. It could be content creation. It really doesn't matter what it is. We just want you to take a moment and brainstorm it. Then you're going to put that idea down on a piece of paper, or if you prefer to use your computer, and then hold on to it throughout the remainder of this course. Because throughout this course, we are going to help you guys understand what it's like to build a business from scratch. So are you ready? The digital world is filled with endless opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs. Remember that continuous learning, adaptability, and willingness to embrace innovation are keys to success in the digital entrepreneurial landscape. So I want to encourage you to explore this Roadmap 2.0 course to further expand your knowledge in this exciting field, and do so with an open mind so that you ensure you are walking away with the understanding you need to start building. So let's get ready to embark on a journey of digital entrepreneurship together.